All right, welcome back. Today, let's talk about Dior loyalty program or the Dior Beauty Privé. And we will talk about the stages or the statuses and also the welcome gifts that you will receive as you reach those certain status. If you're new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I help you maximize your beauty shopping experience. So if you're not subscribed yet and you love Dior Beauty, make sure to subscribe and also like this video so many more of our Dior Beauty lover friends could find it. By the way, what we will discuss today is the Dior loyalty program in the US. So in the US, we have different statuses, starts with guest, pearl, silver, gold, and the highest one is the platinum. So as soon as you sign up for your account, you will be automatically be in pearl status. And with pearl, there's no welcome gift, but there is the second purchase gift. Meaning, doesn't matter how much you spend, on your second purchase, you are eligible to receive a gift. Before, it was this mirror with mini lipstick, very beautiful. You don't need any minimum purchase. As long as it's your second purchase, you will qualify to receive the gift. Now, it is a lipstick case with a full-size lipstick. That is the second purchase gift that you will receive. Just to give you a quick recap of how it will happen. So you will start with nothing. Sign up. If you're already signed up and you want to receive this gift, then you will have to use a different email address. So sign up with a brand new email. Make your first purchase, doesn't matter how much it is. When I did mine, I purchased one thing. I think it was one of the brushes. So I purchased a brush. I will give it at least 24 hours for the second purchase gift offer to pop out in your account. So as soon as it popped out on mine, I purchased another small item, which is the eyelash curler. And with that eyelash curler, I was eligible to receive my second purchase gift. So again, no minimum purchase required. As long as you put two purchases, you will receive the second purchase gift. It was this before, and now it's a full-size lipstick with a lipstick case. And it looks like the loyalty program theme this year would be more of like the prestige, Dior prestige branding. So more white or cream and gold colorway. And so that's the first gift that you will receive in the loyalty program. And as soon as you made a total purchase of $350, I know it's a lot, it's a lot now. So you have to spend $350 to move to your next status, which is the silver. Now the silver, there's some good perks for being in the silver. First is that you will now be eligible to receive two miniature products or two deluxe samples at checkout for your purchase of $100 and above. So that's a good thing because you get a bonus deluxe sample. And when you reach that silver status, you will now receive your first welcome gift for silver, which is another update. It is a 4-piece set, 3 brushes, and also a brush case. I actually really love this. The brushes among all the gift with purchases are my most used items, and so I would really love to get this. So it is a great size, so you could fit more than 3 brushes inside. And I think the color is lovely and it looks like a very well made item. So for a free item, I think it's awesome. So that is the silver welcome gift at the moment. Before, just so you know, and I know some of you are very tired of the around the world gift set. So used to be this one, But I know for some of you that may be new into the loyalty program, maybe you guys still want to receive something from the around the world. But yes, this was the gift before, but now it is the brush set. So this is 4-piece gift, 3 brushes and 1 brush case. Now let's move forward to the gold. This one I couldn't find an information if it's been updated or not. So if you guys are, are to receive your gold loyalty program welcome gift, please give me a comment below. But as far of my experience, I just received my gold welcome gift last July, and it was the around the world tote. And that is from your silver. You need to purchase at least worth 350, another 350, another, so you'll have to spend another $350. And so from silver to gold, you will have to spend at least $800 to advance to your gold status. I know this is a lot, but then again, there's some perks to achieving your gold status. First, you maintain your 2 deluxe samples at checkout, and you are also eligible to receive a birthday gift. I couldn't find any update if the gift has been replaced with the new design, but mine I received last July, and it's still the around the world tote, and it came with lip balm, moisturizer, and also lip glow. I love it, but I know some of you have received it a few times, maybe a couple of times at least already, so you are ready for the next one. Yeah, I don't have any information. I haven't seen a new gold welcome gift yet. I've checked TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, of course, but I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it yet. So if you guys have an information, please go to the community tab and share a photo there, or just comment below and let us know what you got recently for your gold welcome gift. And so if you advance to gold, you are now also eligible to receive a birthday gift. And like I've said, I couldn't find an info about the gold status. So if it's still the same, it would be this. So this is a mini Miss Dior blooming bouquet. Here we go, very cute. And it came with this beautiful, I think this is beautiful. This is a jewelry case. I don't really wear a lot of jewelry, but I know I could use this for something else. It's super cute. So there you have it. It's very well made. It's cushioned, and it has this drawstring pouch here inside to hold your jewelry, and also have these for maybe your rings, and this one for your earrings. I don't know if you could see, but it has some little holes there, so you could poke your earrings in there. So I think this is such a lovely gift for the birthday gift for everyone in gold status. But like I've said, they will probably update it already, unless they still have stock of this, then they might still keep giving this specific design. But yeah, I'm very excited to find out what would be the next gold welcome gift. And finally, after gold, we will have the platinum. And we recently seen some great perks for all those platinum members out there. We have the seasonal gifts, the birthday gift, of course, and your welcome gift. Now, to achieve platinum, you will have to spend at least 1,600. I know. That's crazy, right? You would have to, and it's crazy because when it started, when all these loyalty programs started, I think to reach platinum, it was only a minimum spend of $900. And so this is almost double. And yeah, I'm surprised. I don't know if I'll ever reach platinum, to be honest. I might be stuck in gold for a while. But some perks are the seasonal gift. So we've seen that there were choices for summer gifts this year, and I think everyone was surprised about it. They were not announced that there will be any summer gifts, but we know that there is definitely the holiday gift, around Christmas time. And for the birthday gift, I also did not find any update. And so if it's still the same, it will be this around the globe theme, which is a stationery set, and this includes pencils. And let me show you just very quickly for those who are new in the loyalty program and you might not have seen it yet. And also a beautiful notebook. Now I know a lot of you are ready for a change, so I am too. I am very excited. I did not receive this as a platinum birthday gift, but this was gifted to me by my dear friend, and I am just very appreciative because, like I've said, I don't even know if I'll ever reach platinum unless I'll give all my family members with your products. Then I'll probably will. So that's the previous or maybe current platinum birthday gift. We don't know what's it gonna be, but if someone here, if any of you is having a birthday soon and you're already in platinum, please give us a comment below if you've seen the gift. Please let us know, or again, go to the community page and share a photo. We would love to see what the platinum birthday gift is. Now for the welcome gift, we've seen the update. It is the vanity case with the face mask and towel, and also a full size of the Heliu shot. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but that's the platinum gift. I think it's lovely, but to be honest, the silver gift is probably gonna be more useful for me than this one. But of course, if I ever reach platinum, I would love to receive this. And for the holiday gift, it was such a disaster last year. It was the globe, the holiday globe, and then I think they ran out. It was the holiday globe, but then I think they ran out. So some of you receive this set instead, which is a candle and a hand wash. This is the Grease Dior and the 31 touch candle. I think the scent is lovely. And again, I did not receive this as platinum holiday gift, but this was gifted to me by Nisa Buttercup. Nisa, thank you so much. And I just recently watched your video. It looks like you received the gift I sent you. I hope you love them both. But yeah, this was the holiday gift that some of you received last Christmas season. And so I don't know what it's gonna be this year, but I am very excited to find out. So there you have it. That's our quick recap of the Dior loyalty program in 2025. Now there's of course other perks than those. For example, if you are in platinum, you will receive 15-minute one-on-one consultation with a Dior Pro team, 30-minute consultation as well, unlimited free shipping, which we get regardless of your status, early product launches, still we get regardless of your status, exclusive access to limited edition, same for everyone, digital Dior magazine, also same for everyone, and exclusive 2 deluxe miniature at checkout for purchase of 100 and above. Silver, gold, platinum gets this perk, but not the pearl. For pearl, you still get 1 deluxe sample for your purchase of $100 or more at checkout. And also for platinum, you get invitations for VIP online master classes, which we all get regardless of your status, and also invitations to in-store event. And lastly, a invitation to in-person master classes. Now this one, I'll probably love to get invited in person for master classes. If I ever reach platinum, this is probably one of the perks I would love to experience. I don't know if any of you ever attend an in-person masterclass. Please let me know in the comment below how was the experience. I would definitely love to know. But yeah, that's our recap of the Dior loyalty program here in the US. And I don't know, let me know if you are excited to receive any of those gifts. What are you looking forward to? Or you're just gonna be like myself. I will be pretty much just going with the flow. If I need something, then I'll purchase something, but I'm not really looking forward to advance my Dior loyalty program because it got super expensive. But I'll take your gift if you want to send me some. Alrighty, I hope you find this helpful. And as usual, if you are not subscribed yet and you love Dior Beauty, please make sure to subscribe. I would love to have you here. Again, thanks so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.